In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook Pixel to your GoDaddy website in a detailed step-by-step manner for 2025. This guide will help you efficiently set up Facebook Pixel, which is crucial for optimizing your marketing strategies and tracking user interactions on your site. Let's begin by navigating to your GoDaddy account. Head over to the official site and log into your account to access your dashboard. Once you've signed in, you'll want to locate and click on Manage My Products. This will take you to a page listing all the products and services associated with your account. Next, look for the option labeled Start for Free. Clicking here will initiate the setup process for the tools you need. As you proceed, you'll see a prompt to continue for free. Select this to advance to the next stage of the setup. After this, click on Continue to My Site. This action will navigate you to your website's management interface where you have all the controls to configure your site settings. Once you're on the site management page, locate and click on Settings. This menu is your gateway to customizing site features and integrating third-party services such as Facebook Pixel. Within the Settings menu, you will find an option named Meta Pixel. Clicking on this will direct you to the integration page specifically designed for Facebook Pixel. At this point, you'll need your Facebook Pixel ID. If you haven't yet created one, you'll need to visit Facebook's Events Manager to set up a new pixel. Once you have your Pixel ID, return to the GoDaddy settings and input this ID into the corresponding field. This connection allows tracking events such as page views and more on your website, which is pivotal for gathering insightful analytics. Now, switching over to Facebook, navigate to the main page and in the search bar, simply type what you're looking for related to your Pixel setup. When you find the relevant section, it might require you to click on Highlight to draw attention to the needed options or information. You should see an Edit Action button option. This allows you to tweak interactive elements on your Facebook page. If needed, click on Change button and follow prompted steps to ensure your Facebook page's call to actions are synced with your marketing goals. Subsequently, hit Next when prompted. This ensures any modifications are applied correctly. Also, if you're utilizing other booking tools, there's a feature to connect your Facebook page to these tools, making your advertising efficiency even more cohesive. Choose the booking tool you prefer when faced with the option, which tool do you want to connect your button to. By following these instructions, you're now well equipped to implement and optimize the Facebook Pixel on your GoDaddy website, ensuring your marketing is data-driven and highly effective. Thanks for watching and enjoy the added insights that Facebook Pixel will bring to your website analytics.